Hello and welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Animals and Pets with Partha. Like last time when I introduced you to Dr. Kumar's dog world of Ranchi, today I am going to introduce you to a very important personality, uh, Dr. R.T. Sharma of Delhi. Dr. Sharma is an old timer and is well known in Delhi as a private practitioner. He has three clinics and it's manned by himself and six other veterinary surgeons. And three clinics are usually on a normal working day would be attending to about 60, 70 OPDs. And uh, he is also associated with some NGOs and other organizations that share veterinary knowledge about animals among the fraternity. His organization is PLRC, Pet Learning and Research Council, which organized a show, sort of a vet expo, where veterinarians from all over the country participated and they discussed and exchanged views and knowledge. And at the same time, they had a German Shepherd specialty show organized, which was attended by a host of exhibitors, the best in the northern part of India, and the exhibits were of very high order. The show was judged by Mr. Rajiv Chaudhary of Ghaziabad, and it was really very well put down. All kudos to Dr. R.T. Sharma and his associate, Mr. Suryakant Roy. Today, Dr. Sharma will take you on his uh, journey through his veterinary clinics and what he does. He'll be telling you what are the surgeries. He has a full setup of gas anesthesia. He has ultrasonography. He has digital X-ray and all types of blood analyzers and stuff required for the treatment of small animals, especially dogs, which he's been doing for the over 3 decades. So it is for the knowledge of everybody, and let us now listen to Dr. Sharma. Thank you.
Hello, dog lovers of India. Introducing our Indian Kennel League head office in New Delhi. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce our honorary president, Dr. R.T. Sharma of the IKL Indian Kennel League. And here is a sneak peek and a preview of the entire setup and a brief introduction of Dr. R.T. Sharma, who is a versatile veterinary doctor with over 30 years of experience in veterinary field.
Hello everyone. This welcome to Animal and Pets with Partha YouTube channel, and this is my opportunity to introduce you myself on this channel. I'm Dr. R.T. Sharma. I'm a veterinary surgeon. I'm in practice from last 30 years. I'm in Delhi, and I'm running three clinics, one hospital, specialty hospital here in Delhi, and I'm a president of Pet Animal Welfare Society. This is an NGO working for animal welfare and suppression of cruelty against these homeless animals. This we are running from last 20 years in India, and recently we have launched one organization, that is PAUSE Learning and Research Council. Its main objective is to introduce latest techniques and latest technology to our upcoming vets who are going to be in the practice in the future practice. And recently we have launched an independent governing body in India, that is Indian Kennel League, uh, which is to organize these specialized dog show to promote pure breed in India. And we are happy to announce that we have got affiliation with World Science Canine Federation, uh, especially in Asia, and we are affiliated to ICBC. This is Italian Canine Breed Club. We are very proud to announce this because this club is going to be only one in Asia which is going to promote ethical breeding, and we are promoting our veterinarians along with the breeders because we want to improve the skill of our breeders in India, so that they can understand genetical diseases in canines like hip dysplasia, like diabetes, like epilepsy. So these dogs should not be bred. So we have to educate them that this recessive gene shouldn't pass on to the other thing. We are going to educate them about the genetics of the breedings, and also this is our motto, to have a pure love for pure breed in India. And plus we are promoting Indian region breeds in India, and there will be hundreds of dog shows going to come in the coming years. And lastly, like in last month, we have done our first attempt in the German Shepherd Specialty Show. That was very well appreciated with all the breeders, the recognized breeders and leading breeders in India. And we assure you that we are going to come up with more and more kind of these kind of activities, and it'll be a pan India kind of a thing, and gradually we want to take it to the other countries of in the surrounding areas. I request all you animal lovers to join us in this club, and let's promote this pure love for pure breed and ethical breeding in the future. Let's do it collectively and make it a very effective club in the future. And I'm happy to announce that under this Indian Kennel League, we within a span of 2 months, we have got 18 clubs registered under IKL in Pan India, and they are going to organize many specialty shows, breed shows, and activity shows like you will see in near future. I really appreciate if you prescribe this channel, this Animal and Pets with Partha, this YouTube channel. And thank you very much. And I'll just introduce and let's take you the tour of my hospital. This is a small OPD. Here we do like 60, 70 OPD cases in a day. And we run like three hospitals, one here in Vasant Kunj, one in Gulmohar Park, one is in Palam Vihar. So we have a team of 6 doctors. We do surgeries, we do alternative therapies, and under our NGO we do like SOS program. This is Save Our Strays. So we bring up these sick animals, or they are volunteers, they call us, then we bring them in our shelter. Once they are absolutely fine, then we send them in the same territory. Plus we are doing ABC program, that is animal birth control, just to control the population of unwanted homeless animals on the street, that we are doing with the Municipal Corporation of India. And it's very successfully we are doing from last 20 years, and we have done thousands of surgeries, and I think in the future we are going to do more. And there are more animal welfare programs are coming for the animal lovers, for the breeders, and for the veterinarians to update their skill and knowledge. We are going to do hands-on workshop on different topics like orthopedic or ultrasound or pathology. So this will be a very good platform for the upcoming veterinarians, especially the young veterinarians. And like last month we have done a CE program, that is Indian Vet Expo 2021, which was very hit. Like there were around 300 plus veterinarians from all over India. So like this is just a beginning, and I'm sure we all will grow together if you subscribe this channel. Thank you. So this is the small reception area with this OPD area. So where we do daily these small OPD things and all. And this is weighing scale. People accordingly we have to just weigh them and do the treatment and fix the doses and all. So there are nutritional foods, prescription food, which is required especially for any special diseases. And this is our reception area. These are small pet accessories and all, like people they get shampoos, pig powder, dental sticks, and other things, bed, and these are the surgery. This is the surgery area. This is gas anesthesia. Is oxygen and all, like whenever it's required. So we do surgeries here, like orthopedic surgeries and all. This is another OPD area where we do normal treatment and all. And this is our pathology lab. We have here ultrasound, X-ray, and pathological diagnostic area and machines. And we have lasers also for the laser as a laser treatment for the animals who is having paralysis and all. So this is the small thing we have. We are going to increase our more facility in the coming days.
Incidentally, I forgot to mention that he is the founder president of the Indian Kennel League, which is a regulatory body, independent regulatory body of canine affairs in India. There exist quite a few. There is one, the United Kennel Club. Then there is the other called the Indian National Kennel Club, who are also operating as regulatory bodies. They register dogs, they organize dog shows, and they give out advices to dog lovers. And there are a lot of people associated with this or these organizations. There is, of course, another one which I'm told which is run by a syndicate. And the syndicate, of course, there are special rules for becoming a judge or making dogs champions and things like that. They have a package. You pay the fee and your dog becomes a champion. Then there's a package where you can make your dog a grand champion, and so on and so forth. Also, if you want to become a judge, you got to go through that package. Not that the judges are incapable or they don't qualify to become judges. Of course they do. Most of them or all of them do qualify to become judges, and there must be 100 or more judges who would want to become judges but cannot pay the fees for becoming judge. The fees include maybe in cash or in kind, but the syndicate will decide who is going to be the judge. So it doesn't matter. Unless you pay the fee, you are not going to achieve that. Then, of course, there are the national awards like, best dog of the country and this, that, whatever. So everything is for a fee. And then they have a battery of lawyers. So, anybody goes against them, they put the lawyers in front and they issue notices and, what not and what not. So these are the things that is happening in this country. But I suggest that, these kennel organizations and registries, they should really give service for the money they take from the dog lovers. And it is just not, running it like a private business where the syndicate, they make a syndicate and rob all the money from the dog lovers, and then they keep a battery of lawyers who vehemently fight court cases. They are charged at every opportunity at exhibitors, and lakhs of rupees are spent just to fight these court cases. I'm told in these big deals, in these big organizations, when you appoint lawyers and things like that or whatever, you can get a good kickback from the lawyers themselves. So that may be driving them to fight so much of court cases. Well, Dr. R.T. Sharma, I wish him well, and I know him. I am sure he is going to do a good job running the Indian Kennel League. I would also wish the United Kennel Club all success, and the Indian National Kennel Club, which has been around for over 60 years and has been doing a yeoman's job running a very modest kennel club where lots of people have only good words to say.